Hey YouTube, how we doing today? Well, this should be a Barrel and Blade video from March 2018. Notice something different here? That's right, messy table, no camo top, and holy crap, no box for Barrel and Blade. Stay tuned right after we roll that intro, and you can find out why. Alright, YouTube, thanks for staying past that intro. Like it says, this should be a Barrel and Blade video. But it's not. Here's why. So, on the 3rd of March, I get the great, email that everybody's waiting for. Your box has been shipped. Awesome. I'm like, should be here by Wednesday. Gonna be able to see some hopefully good gear. Gonna be able to take a look inside. So, most of last week goes by, and when I keep checking the tracking number that they provided, it keeps going, your box is in pre-ship, which basically means they notified the post office, hey, we've got stuff we've got to mail, need you to help come over, grab it, let's get this stuff out and, going. So by Thursday, still in pre-ship. And I'm pretty friggin' pissed about this, going, there is no way it goes Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. There's no way. So I talked to my post office, locally, and they said point blank, we don't have it. We were never notified to go get it. They said, hey, that pre-ship means they're going, we have a whole bunch of stuff we got to send. Get ready for it, because here it comes. So Friday goes by, nothing. Saturday goes by, nothing. Sunday rolls around, and I get an email from Barrel and Blade going, your box has been lost. We have no idea what happened. We have no clue how this could have been done. We're just about as much lost as you are. So I get the usual, oh, now we've got to order a lot of product. Hopefully it'll be here by Tuesday, Wednesday. If it is, realistically, hopefully we can ship by Friday. And I'm thinking to myself, well, I'm glad I already canceled my box. I should say my subscription. Because I'll be honest with you, this is my 3rd month. Well, this should have been my 3rd month with them. But I still don't have a box. And I was sitting thinking to myself, there's got to be something spectacular in this box to make me want to stay with you. And then I saw a video by, I think it was like Yahweh the Great or something like that. And he was unboxing this month's Barrel and Blade, which made me go, what the fuck? So I thought you guys lost a whole bunch of shit, lost a whole bunch of shipments, a bunch of people didn't get it. Well, it's nice that some people got their stuff, so you mean to tell me the post office lost a pallet worth of crap? And then I saw what was in the box, and I'm not impressed. So that's 90 days, that's 3 months, a whole bunch of money out the door. And I'll be honest, not a lot of useful gear that I would want, that I would need, or that I would think of purchasing inside there. So Barrel and Blade's response was, we're going to order more, hopefully we'll send it out to you, which would have been after I had to pay for next month's box without even receiving this month's box. And their way of making it up to me was, we're going to send you one of our badass t-shirts. So, that's why I'm entitling this video, Barrel and Blade, March 2018. Not. If that box ever gets here, I'm going to happily bring it to you and I'm going to happily unbox it. I never had this experience with BattleBox. And I was with them since their Mission 5, and I dropped off at, Mission 34, I think it was? BattleBox had some shipment issues getting stuff in. They never had an issue getting crap out, ever. And like, the guys at the post office told me, we can see maybe a box or two along the way ending up getting lost, you know, like falling off a table, employee theft, whatever, but not multiple occurrences. So, Barrel and Blade, if you're watching this, you may want to do some follow-up with people and go, this is what happened, this is what we found, this is how we're going to rectify it. Because for some people getting their stuff and some people not, in a free t-shirt, that's not really a good trade-off, you know? But you know, what do I know? I'm just a simple small YouTube channel trying to grow. I invested in you, and I got screwed this month. But, you know, that's what I got for this, guys. I want to hear what you got to say down below, like usual. Because I got to tell you, I'm pretty fuming right now. You know, BattleBox's big issue with me, as everyone knows by watching my videos, I didn't get a friggin' mission card. And when I reached out to him, I was basically told, here's a link to what's in the box. Barrel and Blade, you failed. Anywho, if you stumbled across this video and you're a first-time viewer, I want to thank you so much for taking a moment to watch, you know, me rant and rave. You should be seeing a symbol pop up, you know, in one of these two little sides. That's going to be my company logo. Go ahead, click on that. That's going to bring you right to subscribe. I guarantee you not all my videos are angry, you know, attack mode like this one is. Once you've clicked on that subscribe, please click on the bell icon, and that's going to notify you every single time we upload a video. Speaking of videos, somewhere along either side, you're going to see two videos pop up that YouTube is going to select from my catalog. Those are going to be videos that they think is going to be a good viewing experience for you. But, you know, that's all I got, guys. Barrel and Blade, you failed. Get off your tail, make it right.